Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 24 of our 30 days of yoga series. And today we will be focusing on dynamic movements, more importantly, tiger pose. So what you will need today is your mat and a blanket. So grab those and we will get started. So we'll start at the beginning of the mat, the top of the mat in mountain pose. Feet are parallel to one another, facing forward, shoulders are up and back. And then we'll start with 3 deep breaths. So let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. Then starting in mountain pose, we'll inhale, bring the arms out and up. Exhale as we dive forward, leading with the chest, arms come out and down, forward, fold. So stay in your forward fold for a moment. From here, we're just going to come into some circles with the arms, and we're going to come into a back bend. So you'll inhale as the arms come over to the right, out and up. Bring the arms back, slight back bend, and then exhale as we go back down to the left. And all the way back down to our forward fold. We'll do that 2 more times. So inhale. Arms out to the right, all the way up to the back. Your back bend, exhale. And then we're coming back down. Forward fold. Last time, inhale as you come out to the left, the right, excuse me. Coming back to your back bend, exhale. Coming to the left. And then stay in your back bend, or stay in your forward fold right here. And then from here, we're going to plant the hands down. Step that right foot back and the left, come into downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. Heels are reaching towards the floor. Pressing down through the hands. And then we'll slowly lower down to the mat. And so here would be a good time for you to grab your blankets if you'd like some cushion underneath the knees. Once you have your blanket down, just coming back to our table pose. So shoulders are directly over the wrists. And hips are over the knees. So from here, we're just going to do some movements with the legs. So you'll extend the right leg behind you and then bend at the knee. So the foot is facing the ceiling. And then take an inhale here. Exhale as you curl the knee in, curl the back. And then inhale out. Exhale in, inhale out, and exhale in. And then we'll release that knee to the floor. We'll move to the other side. So lifting the left leg out, bend at the knee, and then inhale here. Exhale as you bring the knee in, curling the back. Inhale out, exhale in, inhale out, and exhale in. And then coming back to our table pose. Then we're going to do the same thing here, adding in our arms. So we'll start with the right leg extended back, reaching the left arm forward, and then bending that back knee. Take an inhale here. Exhale as you crunch in, bringing that left elbow towards the right knee. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Last time, inhale out. And exhale in. And then reaching back out, we're going to come into tiger pose. So reaching the left hand back, grabbing the right foot. And then lifting that foot up towards the ceiling. Take full breaths. And release. And then we'll move to the other side. So extending the left leg, the right arm, bending the back leg. Take an inhale here. Exhale as you crunch in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale out. Exhale in. And then coming back out. Reach behind and grab that foot. And lift the foot up. And release. And then we're going to come back to downward facing dog. So tucking the back toes under, lifting the hips and knees up and back. Take a full breath. And then just slowly walking the feet forward. Coming into a forward fold. And you can move the blanket off to the side. And then we're coming back to our arm circles. This time we're starting to the left. So inhale as the arms come out to the left and back. Exhale as they go down to the right. Back to our forward fold. 2 more times. Inhale, arms out and back. Exhale, coming down. Last time, inhale. Exhale. And then inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Palms together. Exhale, hands to your heart. And we'll end with 3 deep breaths. So let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Namaste.